नमस्कार। पिछले 1.5 महीने में जिन परिस्थितियों से हमारा देश और सारा विश्व गुजर रहा है, उससे ये साबित हो गया है कि दूरसंचार कितना अधिक महत्वपूर्ण हम लोगों की ज़िंदगी में इसे चलाने के लिए है। संचार ही आधार है और इसको बहुत तेज़ी से पिछले 1.5 महीने में हम सभी लोगों ने समझा है। Despite all the odds and despite all the tough conditions, the team of BSNL spread across India in nook and corner of the country have ensured that the telecommunication services keep on running and our customers who are at home as a precautionary measure under the lockdown situation do not remain isolated from the world and they remain connected to the world. 17 मई विश्व दूरसंचार दिवस के रूप में सालों से मनाया जाता रहा है। वर्ल्ड टेलीकॉम डे, अब इसका नाम वर्ल्ड टेलीकॉम एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सोसाइटी डे हो गया है, क्योंकि अब ये सिर्फ आपस में एक दूसरे से बात करने का जरिया नहीं है, आपस में एक दूसरे से जुड़ने का जरिया नहीं है, बल्कि पूरे विश्व से अपने आप को जोड़े रखने का भी जरिया है। सो देयरफॉर इट इज़ कॉल्ड नाउ वर्ल्ड टेलीकॉम एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सोसाइटी डे एंड द थीम दिस ईयर इज कनेक्ट 2030 किस तरह से हम अगले 10 सालों में नए दशक में अपने आप को इस इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी के और अधिक उपयोग से लाइफस्टाइल को चेंज करेंगे, ये इस बार की थीम है। BSNL हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन सेलिब्रेटिंग दिस 17th May by either upgrading or providing extra features, special services to our customers as well as to our partners. This year it is no different. On the contrary, this year it is more important because now we understand how important to be remain connected while staying at home. The first initiative which we are taking is for our customers. The OTT platforms and the entertainment has been going on telecom through our wireline broadband services in a big way. Now we are seeing that not only entertainment but also online education is the new buzzword and a mandatory requirement to all our children, whether they are studying in school or college. Therefore, BSNL is tying up with various education technology platforms to provide the online education services to our wireline customers. We will be launching these tie-ups on 17th May for our customer so that we can empower and serve our customer while they stay at home but they remain connected. The second initiative is for our partners who are very important link for providing these services to the customers. So in the enabling partner theme, ease of doing business with BSNL as a partner, we are now launching an in-house ePay system in which now we are upgrading the platform so that the customers which are provided by our partners can also make online payments which can be routed through our partners. This is a very important technological enablement for our partner to give better services to the customer. The third initiative is we understood that though online payments is going to be the order of the day, but even then we still have lot many population where still the online payment is someday far, and therefore we have enabled a new special mobile app which will enable my special agents to collect the online bills and take the customer service center to customer doorstep for the fixed line bills. So with these three initiatives, I think we are a step moving towards our theme of 2030 Connect. I wish a very happy and very useful World Telecom and Information Society Day to all of you, and I assure you कि BSNL हमेशा की तरह आपको बेहतर सेवाएं देता रहेगा और कोशिश करेगा कि वो सेवा आपके घर पर आकर, आपके द्वार पर आकर जितने अच्छे तरीके से दे पाए उसको दे सके। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।